Hey everyone, welcome to Dr. Wellness channel. This is Dr. Samhita and today we are going to discuss about the 11 warning signs of a toxic gut or a ineffective digestive health. It is also known as the second brain and second largest nervous system in the body after the central nervous system. Hence, its function directly affects the health of our heart, liver, lungs, etc., and various other organs. Most chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension are believed to be begin from the gut. Gut health is affected mainly due to increased consumption of more fat and fried food such as burgers, pizzas, which is containing less water content and less fiber content of many other foods etc. like casseroles, spicy foods, garlic, other spices and gluten rich food like bread and more sugar containing food also does not improve the good health and just lead to more damage of the gut and leading to diabetes of alcohol beer and more high loads of the caffeinated drinks and the deep fried foods which are very much fried in the oils. They are all spoil the gut health and kill the very healthy microbes or prebiotics bacteria in the gut. Artificial sweeteners, gluten, chocolate, sugars, fatty foods, and sometimes beans, cauliflower, broccoli also affects. Impaired gut leads to the constipation, showing the features of bloating, gas sensation, pain in the intestinal region, heartburn, nausea, inflammatory bowel. Since good microbes are killed in the gut, they lead to reduced serotonin production, leading to mood and sleep disturbances, leading to depression ultimately. This is a common symptom which is seen most commonly all around the people with gut disorders. Insomnia, which is sleeplessness, and heartburn, which is considered as medical emergency, is a major concern around the world due to the bloating sensation. Intake of antibiotics kill the good gut bacteria along with the bad bacteria on which they are acting, leading to nutrient deficiencies, for which must take probiotics like fermented foods like yogurt, idli, etc. To say, probiotics are the good gut flora in our body which aids in the digestion process and provides ultimately the good nutrient supply to the body which the body absorbs the nutrients and functions and thus the immunity builds in the body. Probiotics are present in yogurt, curd, South Indian foods such as idli, dosa. Condition called as the leaky gut which causes the gut inflammation leading to gut more permeable and leading to many food allergies, eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis. Gut health is very important that if gut is affected then it also affects the health of the heart, the brain, the liver and all other organs. Toxic gut is associated with weak immunity leading to systemic inflammation, leading to more weak immunity and the person gets sick more often. Link between type 2 diabetes other than the hereditary cause with the gut bacteria. In diabetics, frequent yeast infections are seen due to the weakened immunity as yeast thrives on more sugars. Plus, if you take antibiotics upon that, then the yeast infection will get very worse. So, to avoid yeast infections in diabetics, particularly, should take more probiotics and avoid more sugary foods than before. Healthy gut helps in maximum absorption of nutrients, vitamins from the food you consume, and it always leads to the good metabolism in our bodies. Gut microbes play a very vital role in our overall health, so that we should take care of our good flora in our gut in order to thrive good. We must take more watery rich foods containing 70% of water such as fruits and vegetables and drink more amounts of the water. And as the constipation is caused mainly due to the lack of the fiber, which gets stuck in our intestines. We should take more fiber rich foods such as fruits, veggies, whole grains, legumes, and importantly, more consumption of water. That too, hot water with oma taken early in the morning helps in very good digestion and relieves from constipation. Have 3 small meals per day. Avoid the processed foods, preservative foods, and more sugary content foods that are available in the market, ready to eat foods. Instead, shop for the high fiber containing and high water containing foods such as the various kinds of foods, but particularly seasonal fruits are very good, and different kinds of nuts, legumes are good. These contain very rich amounts of vitamin C, which provides good immune system to our body and are also fiber rich. Pomegranates helps in increasing blood, particularly in anemic patients, and then yoga, exercise with proper diet are very much necessary. Always don't eat foods before 3 hours bed, and always sleep on the left side it, as it hastens the stomach emptying. All about the signs and symptoms of a toxic gut and how you can avoid them and how you can treat them at your home, and if necessary you have to reach the nearby hospital. Thank you. Hope this video will help you to understand and educate you about your gut health. And if you have got any queries, please post in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.